In today's video tutorial, we would like to show how you can check the SIM card phone number on this TCL 205 smartphone. So first of all, you want to open up the settings. In here, go for the About Phone category. Next, choose what phone number of which SIM card you're interested in particularly, and find the SIM status. So here is the SIM status for the first slot and the second slot. So let's say we are looking for the SIM slot 1. And in here, it will display the phone number on the SIM card. In cases the phone number is not saved within the SIM card, unfortunately, it will always show the unknown then. But if it is saved, as it is in my case, at the SIM card that is installed onto the first slot, it will actually show the phone number. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.